You squander your oaths by fixating solely on one community, one group, which happens to be more populous, stronger, and more powerful than the other group, without considering the diverse perspectives, unique strengths, and valuable contributions of the less populous, weaker, and less influential group. Subsequent to that, your personality, the side you have opted for, begins to proliferate, amass more power, and gather a greater abundance of resources, gradually becoming more populous, influential, and gaining access to a wider range of opportunities and advantages. In the time leading up to that day, you are recklessly squandering all the reputation, career, humanity, manhood, and even your words, even your oaths that you have painstakingly accumulated by choosing sides and aligning yourself with this particular side. We live in a world where most people behave in such a way, acting as the man of the moment, not hesitating to take the side of the powerful, quickly changing their stance. Thus, when God dispatched prophets to a world and environment with individuals of such nature, both the prophets and the people conducted themselves in the manner described. They waited to see what would happen. We're not dying overnight. Let a message spread around and see what each one is saying, what the others are saying. In the event that the crowds align themselves with this particular side, we are already aligned with the crowds, and this alignment does not cause any harm to us. However, if the crowds align with power and might on this side, then we are left with no alternative but to expose ourselves to potential danger.